Welcome to our channel, where we unveil the secrets to maximizing your profits in the crypto market. In today's video, we'll share expert knowledge in just 2 minutes, so let's dive right in. Point 1. Understanding market trends. To make informed investment decisions, it's crucial to identify and understand market trends. Look for patterns in price movements, both short-term and long-term. By analyzing historical data, you can spot recurring trends and predict future price movements more accurately. Point 2. Drawing trend lines. Trend lines are powerful tools for visualizing market trends. They help you identify the direction of price movement and act as support or resistance levels. To draw a trend line, simply connect the higher lows in an uptrend or lower highs in a downtrend. This visual representation enables you to make better entry and exit decisions. Point 3. Confirming with indicators. While trend lines provide valuable insights, it's essential to confirm your analysis using technical indicators. Popular indicators like the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD, Relative Strength Index, RSI, or Bollinger Bands can give you additional signals of potential trend reversals or continuations. Bonus point: risk management. Now, here's the bonus point that will take your crypto trading to the next level: implementing a solid risk management strategy. Protecting your capital is as crucial as maximizing profits. Set stop-loss orders to limit potential losses, diversify your portfolio, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. And that's a wrap. By understanding market trends, drawing accurate trend lines, confirming with indicators, and practicing risk management, you're well on your way to unlocking crypto profit secrets. Remember, stay informed, keep learning, and be patient. Crypto trading can be highly rewarding, but it requires dedication and continuous improvement. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable insights. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy trading.